These are some of our camping essentials when tent camping with kids. Do not forget to pack a hammer or rubber mallet for inserting your tent stakes. On that same note, I'd recommend also bringing metal stakes in case the ground is too firm for the plastic ones. Because we're tent camping, we'll have limited access to electricity, so we opt for solar powered lanterns. We just set it out during the day so it's repowered before nighttime. Carabiners are a must because they are so versatile for hanging things like the lantern and carrying things like shoes or water bottles. This Anchor charger comes with us on every vacation and actually charged 2 phones and a speaker for our 4-day camping trip. We also bring a larger portable charger for things that take more power, like inflating and re-inflating our air mattress, and in case our vehicle needs a jump start. Now, no camping trip is complete without pie irons because they make the best camping meals. We fill them with things like eggs and cheese for breakfast or pizza toppings for dinner. To keep your tent organized, I absolutely recommend packing all of your clothes into packing cubes and placing all of the cubes into a large tote. We put all dirty clothes into a separate tote that is just for laundry. We might be camping, but coffee is still essential. This campfire coffee is not fancy, but something is really special about it straight off the fire. While you're enjoying that cup of coffee or hanging out at the campsite, magnetic toys are a great way to keep your kids occupied. Happy camping!